In the age of digital entrepreneurship, print-on-demand pod has emerged as one of the most lucrative business models. By leveraging your creativity and understanding of the market, you can build a successful pod business that generates significant income, even reaching $1,670 per day. This video will break down how you can achieve this milestone step by step. Understanding print-on-demand. Print-on-demand is a business model that allows you to sell custom products without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped by a third-party provider. Popular products include t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and phone cases. The beauty of pod is that you only pay for the product once you've sold it, minimizing financial risk. Choosing the right niche. One of the most critical aspects of succeeding in pod is selecting the right niche. Your niche should be specific enough to target a passionate audience but broad enough to have a large market. Popular niches include fitness and health, motivational quotes, gym-related humor, and fitness icons. Pets. Dog and cat-themed designs are particularly popular. Hobbies. Fishing, gardening, gaming, and other hobbies with dedicated communities. Pop culture. Memes, TV shows, and movies that have a strong fanbase. The key is to choose a niche that you are passionate about or have a good understanding of. This will make it easier to create designs that resonate with your target audience. Creating eye-catching designs. Your designs are the heart of your pod business. They are what attract customers and drive sales. If you're not a designer, don't worry, you can hire freelance designers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. When creating designs, consider the following tips. Keep it simple. Often, the most successful designs are simple and clean. Use trending topics. Capitalize on current trends and events. Focus on quality. High-resolution images and professional typography are essential. Test different styles. Experiment with various design styles to see what resonates with your audience. Selecting the right pod platforms. There are several pod platforms to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the most popular include Printful, known for its wide range of products and seamless integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Teespring offers a simple setup process and a large marketplace. Redbubble, a marketplace with a built-in audience, ideal for beginners. Merch by Amazon provides access to Amazon's massive customer base, but has strict approval processes. When selecting a platform, consider factors like product variety, pricing, and integration options with your existing e-commerce store. Building a brand. Branding is crucial for long-term success in POD. A strong brand helps you stand out from the competition and build customer loyalty. Here's how to build a compelling brand. Create a memorable logo. Your logo should be simple, recognizable, and relevant to your niche. Develop a unique brand voice. This includes the tone of your marketing materials, social media posts, and customer service interactions. Consistent visuals. Use consistent colors, fonts, and imagery across all your platforms. Customer experience. Ensure that the entire customer experience, from browsing your store to receiving their product, reflects your brand values. Setting up your online store. Your online store is where the magic happens. Whether you use Shopify, WooCommerce, or another e-commerce platform, your store should be easy to navigate and visually appealing. Key components include homepage. Should be welcoming, with clear navigation and featured products. Product pages. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews. About Us page. Share your story and connect with your customers on a personal level. Blog. Use your blog to drive organic traffic through SEO and provide value to your audience. Checkout process. Ensure a smooth, secure, and straightforward checkout process. Pricing your products. Pricing is a critical factor in your pod business. You need to strike a balance between making a profit and offering a competitive price. Cost of goods. The price you pay the pod provider. Shipping costs. If you offer free shipping, include this in your product price. Desired profit margin. Typically, a 30–50% margin is standard in POD. Market research. Look at what your competitors are charging and adjust accordingly. For example, if your cost of goods is $15, shipping is $5, and you want a 40% profit margin, your final price would be around $33. Marketing and driving traffic. Even the best designs won't sell if no one sees them. Effective marketing is essential to driving traffic and making sales. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your designs. Engage with your audience through stories, posts, and live sessions. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters featuring new products, discounts, and promotions. Search engine optimization (SEO). Optimize your website and product pages to rank higher in search engine results. Paid advertising. Use Facebook ads, Google ads, or Instagram ads to target specific demographics with your products. Scaling your business. To reach $1,670 per day, you need to scale your pod business effectively. Expanding your product range. Introduce new products that align with your niche. Targeting new audiences. Use data analytics to identify new customer segments.